What makes blockchain product management unique?
Blockchain product managers must navigate a rapidly evolving space, balancing decentralization, security, and transparency. Unlike traditional product roles, they work with new protocols, smart contracts, and regulatory uncertainty. Mastering these complexities requires a mix of technical fluency and strategic foresight, enabling PMs to bridge the gap between users, developers, and stakeholders in a fast-changing environment.
Technical understanding and blockchain fundamentals.
A strong grasp of blockchain fundamentals is essential. Product managers need to understand consensus mechanisms, tokenomics, smart contracts, and security principles. While deep coding skills aren't mandatory, the ability to translate technical concepts into product decisions helps ensure feasibility, anticipate challenges, and collaborate smoothly with engineers and blockchain developers.
Strategic vision and user-centric thinking.
Successful blockchain product managers create products that solve real-world problems. This requires strategic thinking, market awareness, and a keen focus on user experience. Identifying meaningful use cases and building trust in new technology are critical. PMs must champion the user, manage feedback, and adapt products for rapidly shifting market and regulatory conditions.
Stakeholder communication and collaboration.
Clear, effective communication is vital. Blockchain projects often involve globally distributed teams, open source communities, regulators, and business stakeholders. Product managers must align diverse interests, explain technical choices without jargon, and facilitate collaboration between teams. Negotiation skills and cultural sensitivity help keep projects on track and moving forward.
Regulatory awareness and risk management.
Knowledge of regulatory landscapes is increasingly important. Blockchain PMs must stay updated on legal developments and compliance standards in relevant jurisdictions. Understanding security risks, privacy concerns, and decentralized governance helps managers make informed decisions, protecting both their products and the trust of their users.
Continuous learning and adaptability.
The blockchain industry evolves at an extraordinary pace. Product managers must maintain an adaptable mindset, stay curious, and learn continuously. Whether it's about emerging protocols, shifts in user expectations, or changing regulations. Embracing lifelong learning ensures product managers remain effective leaders in the dynamic world of blockchain technology.